Halor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, batbaduna bam umpnia.
Chief Executive Member Jong Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council upa Thombor Siwat uloong bakasyonong lapangam kamday satya ka no man's land henry kade kabenta kabadang hap siyapo uput usam Jong Jala Meghalaya. Namarba day ka District Council ka baju aya kasanat yo uwahesh nang Jong kanikasyonong. Haka jingkran bat kilat patay kubor haka laipo trek urisaw arjar apsan. Uba siwat ulay thu ba haka bay day bat ka jingja ka badang shen haka sinong lapangam West Jaintia Hills District. Halor ka jingyap jong uway ujad ban requirbi. Hadu menta ka sinong kampat la ban ithu yu ubri o badang ti halor ka ni jingja.
Now the harvesting almost already done.
But then, is there any lasting solution?
But we don't know who is that person exactly. We could not know. But we are agreed to produce that person who did that. But we could not find it.
So coming to the border dispute, so according to you, because since you are also Jaintia Hills and Kargil Council, how the arrived at
You mean the solution?
border dispute?
I think this dispute we could not see anything since the government could not draw the line. This is to Assam, this is to Meghalaya. This thing every time this dispute arises from time to time. You cannot say that this portion is of Assam, this portion of Meghalaya. So this village Lapangap, I think this is the first time. Nothing is happened like this.
So then,
Actually, not it is a no man's land because that village Lapangap was known by the district council, and the senate of the headman also was issued by the district council.
so that means it belongs to
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Yeah.
So only thing has to be retransferred, or they claim it.
I don't think that little part, this village Lapangap is not fall under that village and that part, no. This is the law and order is not fully in the review of the district council, no, because law and order was all under the state government. But the state government can help or can prevent those portion of those people living in that disputed area.
But you are a member of the committee dealing with the dispute as such.
Yeah.
So what is the status of the committee?
First to present because since last this MLA election till date we don't have any meeting. But I couldn't say we don't have any meeting.
So no meeting held to discuss all these areas, second phase of the.
No.
So you want this to be resolved, no, at the earliest. So
Yeah.
meeting should be held.
Yeah. But I'm not the chairman. No. The chairman will if the chairman can bring the meeting then we have to discuss everything. What is going to be solved.
But Meghalaya was citing the example of Assam that they are going for election. That is what.
So that is to it will happen from time to time. No. If we want the meeting from our side, then there will be an election in Assam. Then if Assam want to convene a meeting, there is an election in Meghalaya. This thing
So
they don't want they don't have any to complete this.
U champion uba shisha udi uta uba itho ya uwe pat champion uba tip pan hapan yakun wat yaladi panjam shakhmat nakatagadaw ni tip pakan nongre makas lepyeng ka dangkam da u champion ka thalai u amritsem ka CSX gel technology jongka ka aya ka jingkran ka jingbet ka bajanai bat ka jingjali amritsem